Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 27 of Python programming, and the topic in this video is to import Tkinter package and create a window and set its title. So this topic is basically designed for case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students and semester 4. But anyone who wants to understand GUI programming inside Python and you want to understand how to create a simple window inside Python, then follow this video till end. You will understand it very clearly. So what we are going to do here, we are going to use a Tkinter package that is present inside a Python system. And why it is used? It is used to create a window like structure, or you can say you can create a GUI inside Python using this package, and it has multiple functions that can be used to create a window like structure, and you can use it for your GUI programming. So let us move to the first practical related question. Write a GUI program to import Tkinter package and create a window and set its title. So this Tkinter package will be creating a window like structure that we have already seen in Java programming, and we have seen it in Java programming as a frame window. So the similar frame window will be created here using Python, and for that purpose we are going to use this package. So let us move to the code directly and see how to create our first window. So initially I am importing this Tkinter package as import Tkinter as tk. So I am naming it as tk. So I am writing tk everywhere inside my program. So after that I am creating one object as root is equal to tk dot T capital and K small. So this is the function that will be creating a window that is called a frame window, which we have seen in Java programming. So the name of this window is root. So I will be using operation on this root object. So after that I am using root.title. So this title function will be creating a title for that window, and in that bracket I am passing a string value which is my first Tkinter GUI. So this string will be displayed as a title on the window that we have created as root. Then I am using a geometry function here, so root.geometry, and in the parameter bracket I am passing 400 x 300. So this is the geometry of the window. That means it is having 400 as a width and 300 pixel as height. So geometry is passed inside this bracket using a string variable. Then I am using main loop function on the root object. So that means root.main loop. This function is responsible for displaying the window in front of the user. If you are not running this function, then it will not be displayed. So finally we have to use this function whenever you are creating any window. The last statement will be the object name and main loop. So after this statement, the window will be displayed on the screen. And what is the properties of the window? It is having title as my first Tkinter GUI. Then it is having the width as 400 and height as 300 pixels. So this is how simple window is created here. So I am just saving the code. To run the code I am going to the location where my program is, then opening CMD here. So if you are running this program inside PyCharm, you just have to type the entire code that I have written in the Notepad++, and you just have to hit the run button which is present on the top bar. So the command to run on CMD is py space filename.py. So in my case the file name is window.py. So I am writing window.py. After hitting enter, you can see a window is generated here which is having 400 pixel as a width and 300 pixel as height, and it is displaying the title that we have provided inside your program. So my first Tkinter GUI is the title printed on this window. So this is how we have written some properties for the frame window, and it is displaying the same properties here, and this is how the window is presented here and it is displayed in front of the user. So the question is complete here, and also practical number 27 is complete, which was having just a simple question to create a simple window and setting the title of the window. So this is how this practical is ended here. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.